What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Pronail Complex before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Pronail Complex works. What is Pronail Complex? Pronail Complex is a meticulously crafted natural formula that combines high-potency oils and skin-repairing vitamins. Developed by medical experts, this mist spray releases ingredients in microparticle form, allowing them to reach deep into the skin and nails. Imagine yourself enjoying a truly invigorating personal care experience with Pronail Complex. This innovative formula has been carefully designed to offer intensive and restorative nutrition, strengthening your nails and promoting the health of your skin. By opting for Pronail Complex, you're choosing complete and effective care for your nails and skin. Immerse yourself in the power of natural ingredients combined with medical expertise, and discover a new way to take care of yourself. Pronail Complex Reviews. In this video I will talk about Pronail Complex, formula in Overdora and natural. Pronail Complex is an innovative product for nail and skin care. Formulated by doctors and experts, it combines potent oils and repairing vitamins, released in microparticles by a mist spray to penetrate deep into skin and nails. Its natural formula strengthens nails, promotes cell regeneration and improves the health of the surrounding skin, providing visible and long-lasting results. Pronail Complex works? Yes, Pronail Complex works remarkably. Its powerful formula is the secret behind its proven effectiveness. Combining highly potent oils and essential vitamins, this product offers visible, long-lasting results. By penetrating deep into the skin and nails through microparticles released by the mist spray, Pronail Complex works from the inside out. It strengthens nails, promotes cell regeneration and improves the overall health of the surrounding skin. Furthermore, the Pronail Complex formula is carefully developed by doctors and specialists, ensuring maximum effectiveness and safety. Its natural ingredients are chosen for their ability to nourish, repair and protect, providing visible results in a short time. By incorporating Pronail Complex into your personal care routine, you are investing in the well-being and beauty of your nails and skin. Feel confident about showing off stronger nails and radiant skin, thanks to the transformative power of Pronail Complex. Pronail Complex benefits: nail strengthening. The potent ingredients in the formula help strengthen nails, making them less likely to break or chip. Growth promotion. By nourishing nails and skin with essential vitamins, Pronail Complex can help promote healthy nail growth. Skin hydration. The formula is also designed to hydrate and nourish the skin around the nails, leaving it smoother and more hydrated. Damage repair. If your nails are damaged due to excessive use of chemicals or other factors, Pronail Complex can help repair and revitalize. Protection from environmental aggressors. By strengthening nails and the surrounding skin, Pronail Complex can help protect against damage caused by environmental aggressors, such as harsh chemicals or extreme weather conditions.